How to cancel order and get the refund in a Walmart app. Let's get started. Launch your Walmart app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the shop page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Head over to the option of account given at the bottom right corner. Once you're in the account page, you will find the section of purchase history. Click on that. Now in this page, you're going to find all of the items that you have placed order. Now you can head over to the item that you want to cancel order and get the refund for. Click on view details for the order you want to refund. Click on view details for the order you want to refund. If the start a return button is available, you can initiate the return process directly through the app. Not all orders are eligible for return through the app. Check if the order is eligible for the refund or not. If the order is eligible, the refund will be issued automatically to the original payment method once you complete the return prompt. If the start a return button isn't available, you can still get a refund. Head over to the contact support page on the Walmart website or call their customer support. Provide them with the details of the order you want to return and they will help you through the refund process. I hope this video helped you understand how to get a refund on the Walmart app. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.